Good morning guys. We came from our toolbox meeting and we are now hooked to our project. What is this area assignment? And this is my co-workers again. My partners in the
Good morning.
Shout out nga pala sa mga followers ko.
Yes.
Thank you sa pagla-like and share.
Yes, kindly support to him guys. Yes, also vlogger is also digital creator. Yes, ito.
Asawa nyo.
Shout out mga talonggis.